With just the push of a button, this thing is going to vacuum and mop your floors. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of the dreame x40 ultra robotic vacuum. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this thing makes cleaning the floors so easy. Setting it up was a breeze. There's almost no assembly required. You just download the app, connect it to the robot vacuum, and get started. My advice is to let this thing map out your entire house before you really dig deep into it. This way you can set up your rooms and your zones and all of those things. The AI built into this thing is amazing. It has a camera on the front of it that's used to map out your house, but not only that, it also shows where obstacles are, including your pets, and as it cleans your house, you can look into the app and it will show you the pets and obstacles and where it ran into them. I thought that was kind of cool, but even better than that, you can access that camera and record clips with it. The clip here was actually recorded from the vacuum, and when it's in this mode, you can even use a little remote and have the vacuum go wherever you want. In case you don't see your pets right away, you can go find them. And it has two-way audio as well. But you didn't come here for that. You want to know about the cleaning features, right? I just thought the camera was kind of cool. You can set this thing to mop and vacuum, or vacuum only. Once it maps out your house, it can tell where the carpet is, where the hard floor is, and it will switch from mopping to vacuuming automatically, and it's not going to get your rugs and all of that wet. The mop pads actually lift up while it's vacuuming. You can also set the suction power of the vacuum in the app and the amount of moisture that you want on the mop pads as well. There are a ridiculous amount of options within this app. I can't possibly go over all of them, but like I said, there's a ton in there. When it's all done cleaning, it's going to automatically go back to the base station and it's going to empty the vacuum bin and then empty the water as well. It also washes the mop pads and dries them. It really takes the work out of cleaning your floors. It does so much, it's crazy. I almost forgot to mention, this actually heats the water before it washes your floors. So I purposely put some dirt on the floor to make it extra dirty to test this machine and show you guys how well it works. And it cleaned up that mud and dirt with no issues. The mopping feature on this is probably my favorite feature. Besides the camera, of course. It does an amazing job mopping. Now for the vacuuming, we purposely didn't vacuum for a few days when we went to test this, and we do own 3 Siberian Huskies, and I was pretty impressed on how well it did battling the husky fur. It did take a few passes, but eventually it did clean all of my rugs pretty well. You can schedule this thing to run only at certain times, or just start it whenever you want to. If you have pets, I don't advise letting it run while you're not home, because you just never know what's going to happen. It has so many options. I'm sure I missed a ton of them, like the child lock that makes it so the buttons on the vacuum can't accidentally be pressed. Great for kids and pet homes when you don't want the thing to start while you're not wanting it to start. If you are looking for a great robotic vacuum for your home, we recommend this.